Jeez. Good old Virginia weather. About an hour and a half ago, sun was shining, raindrops the size of dimes falling. And then it stopped, sun came out. No, like two little puffy clouds in the sky. Nothing. An hour later, we have this, and our sky went from blue, I can't get out but so far here, to just all solid white, gray. Hey, I need to clean my damn gutters. Oops. Oh, there's a good stream for you. Where's my rainwater collector when I need it? Holy shit. Well, I walked from the truck to the house. I've had my shower for the day. Time to kick back with a drink. Well, so much for the drink. Holy hell. Let's see. The wind's picked up a little bit. Woohoo! Ooh. Mississippi. Oh. Oh, okay. 3 Mississippi's away. Holy hell. So it ain't quite here yet. I think I might go inside for a little while. Oh shit.